This channel and this page on YouTube, Shorts, and TikTok are getting millions of views and thousands of subscribers just by telling football stories using the power of artificial intelligence. These channels have exploded, going from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers. For example, this channel has collected over 800,000 views in this period and earns between $1,600 and $25,000 per month. Additionally, this TikTok page has amassed more than 700,000 followers and getting millions of views per month. These videos truly engage the audience insanely. I will show you how to create these videos so you can attract views through social media. But first, let's see what we will be creating.
Believe it or not, baby oil can be a secret weapon in Premier League football. Adama Traore, a Spanish winger known for his remarkable speed and power, found an innovative way to outmaneuver opponents. To prevent rivals from grabbing his arms and slowing him down, the Wolves medical team devised a tactic, drenching Traore's arms in baby oil. Video analysis revealed that this not only helped him evade opponents, but it also eased tension and pain in his shoulders, caused by constant tugging. Thanks to baby oil, Traore became even more unstoppable on the pitch. Follow us to improve.
To create a script, you should first visit ChatGPT and ask it for 2 examples of football players' stories. Use these examples to create random stories starting with a catchy phrase, or did you know? Please keep it to 1 paragraph and limit it to 50 words. Before clicking generate, search for FC Motivate on YouTube and choose a video that interests you. Copy the video's link and paste it into an online video transcriber to get the text. Return to ChatGPT and paste the transcribed text, then click Generate. That's it. Here's how to generate a voiceover using Elevenlabs AI. Start by clicking on the speech button, then select Text-to-Speech. Paste your script into the text box. For the voice, I recommend trying out Adam this time. Adjust the stability and similarity settings until you're happy with the result. Give it a listen and tweak as needed until it sounds just right. Once you've done this, click on Generate, and Elevenlabs will automatically generate a human-like voiceover for you. You can listen to it to ensure that you're happy with the quality. This step is really simple. All you need to do is go to Google and search for images related to the topic of your video. For example, if your video is about Cristiano Ronaldo, search for Cristiano Ronaldo images on Google and download them. It's as easy as that. After you have downloaded the images, listen to the voiceover and choose the right images that match the content of your video. Ensure that the downloaded images are relevant to the topic of your video. To start editing the video, open any editing software. I will be using CapCut as usual. First, import all your files into CapCut, then drag the voiceover into the timeline. Next, remove any pauses in the voiceover by zooming into the timeline and cutting out the empty parts. After that, bring in all the images you downloaded online. Arrange them according to the voiceover to ensure each image is placed in the right place. Change the video ratio to 9:16 for a standard YouTube short frame size and increase the image size to fit the screen properly. To make the video more engaging for your audience, add transitions to the images. Click on the transition icon at the top and choose Overlay. Pick the transitions that fit your preferences. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to choose transitions. To add background music to the video, drag the desired music file into the timeline. Reduce the volume of the music so that it does not overpower the main voiceover. To add captions to the video, click on the text icon and select Auto Caption. Choose your preferred language and click on Generate. CapCut will automatically generate captions for your video. First, go to the Captions section under Templates and choose the one you prefer. Then, click on it and go back to the Basic section. Here, increase the font size. I usually leave it at 15 and then increase the scale. Once you're done, you can export the video. Now, let's see what we've created so far.
Did you know Cristiano Ronaldo is the first player in history to score 800 career goals? He reached this incredible milestone while playing for Manchester United, solidifying his legacy as one of the greatest of all time. Ronaldo's relentless pursuit of excellence continues to set new records in football.
Thanks for watching.